Hello, my name is Sean Kane. I am a lieutenant paramedic with the Newton, New Hampshire Fire Department. In this presentation, we're going to talk about fire extinguishers, the different types, what to use them on, and the best extinguisher that suits you for what you need that for. Extinguishers are a very important part of the fire service. Um, Having a fire extinguisher readily available can really help save property, life, and the overall effect of fire when used properly and safely. The importance of fire extinguishers in Newton. This is a very important topic for the Newton community. They are the first aid response to fire and can help prevent catastrophic damage to property and even loss of life. This is important for Newton due to our department being an on-call department. So when we are dispatched, we have to respond from our houses to the station to get the trucks and get dressed and head to the call. Fire doubles every 60 seconds, so every minute counts. If a homeowner can safely use a fire extinguisher prior to our arrival, it can make a difference for life safety and property conservation. All the fire-related incidents that have occurred in the town of Newton over the past year, no one has used an extinguishing agent on any of the fires. First one is an APW, also known as a water can, most commonly seen on fire trucks. A lot of firefighters use this tool. It's used for wood, cloth, rubber, and paper and plastic. There have been 10 fire-related incidents that have happened in Newton that relate to ordinary combustibles. No fire extinguisher is used in any of these events. A Class B extinguisher is used for gasoline, oils, and grease. Newton has responded to 5 related incidents that started with grease, mostly from cooking, that have spread from the stovetop to cabinets in the kitchen. Homeowners did not use any fire extinguisher prior to our arrival. Class C fire extinguishers are used for electrical fires. Many outlets in your home start electrical fires or bad wiring. Having the right extinguisher for that can prevent huge loss of property. We responded to 5 related incidents where the electrical was the origin and no extinguisher is used prior to our arrival. Class D extinguishers are used for combustible metals. We have many auto body and manufacturing shops in town that produce combustible metals and shavings. We've responded to 2 related incidents in the past year where there has been no fire extinguisher agent used prior to our arrival. Class K extinguishers, usually seen in commercial kitchens. It works on the principle of saponification. It takes place when the alkaline mixtures mix with the fatty acids and create a soapy foam layer on the surface that creates a blanket that holds in vapors, steam, and extinguishes the fire. Newton has a couple pizza shops that have these extinguishing agents in them. There have been no fire-related incidents at these locations. The employees are well trained and know how to use these extinguishing agents. There's a quick video demonstration on how to properly use a fire extinguisher in the event that you need to use it. In this video, you're going to see a Newton Fire Department's firefighter EMT Brian Kane use a water can. There's an acronym for the use of a fire extinguisher. It's called PASS. So you're going to pull the pin, you're going to aim at the base of the fire, you're going to squeeze the handle, and then you're going to sweep, working your way from bottom to top. In this video, you will see him demonstrate those. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Newton, New Hampshire Fire Department on any types of fire extinguishing agents that you may have, or you need help understanding how to use them, feel free to contact us here at the Newton Fire Department. Thank you.